see here the gradient of the first line, that is 2. If I'll see the gradient of the second line, that is 2. That means m1 is equals to m2. So these equations are parallel to each other. The multiplication of the gradient is always equals to -1 when we are talking about two lines which are perpendicular to each other. So let's take an example of two lines. One line is y is equals to 2x plus 3 and other line is y is equals to -1 by 2x plus 3. So if I have to find out the gradient for this equation, I'll compare it with y is equals to mx plus c. m1 is 2 and same I'll do here. I'll let it be m1 here, let it be m2 here, m2x plus c. So m2 is equals to -1 by 2. So if I'll multiply m1 and m2, since they are not equal, since these m1 and m2 are not equal, so that means they are not parallel, but I will try that are these lines perpendicular to each other. So I'll use the condition which is the multiplication of the two gradients of the lines. If it is equals to -1, that means those lines are perpendicular. So just multiply it and let's see. So if I will solve this, I'll get here -1. That means these two lines are perpendicular to each other.